Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Walk in the Woods, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so today we are using Walk in the Woods, and we're going to be using Wishing You Every Kind of Wonderful, and we're going to be using these mushrooms. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the largest framelit die from Stitch So Sweetly. And I'm just going to bring in my Big Shot. Now this is going to double as a mat, so be sure that it's kind of centered there. Okay, we're just going to put this aside. We'll start with our stamping. I have the sentiment mounted on clear block D, and I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. All right, and I'm just going to put it up here, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Calypso coral. And then I have my mushrooms mounted on clear block E. Make sure that they are good and covered. All right, so just like that. That is all the stamping we are doing. I'm going to start putting this card together. I have a piece of the Playful Patterns, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I found with the new adhesive, if you have a little cushion behind it, it rolls a lot better. So I started using my silicone mat rather than just my desk here. All right, so that's going to make the mat here. And then we are going to put it on our card base. All right, our card base is Calypso Coral, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And this will make a small border around as well. And then another little trick here is I cut the edges off of my Stampin' Dimensional. So after I finish all these, I'll just cut the edges off. And I like to use them for my longer pieces, so it's not so much Stampin' Dimensionals that you're using. So I just keep those in a little Ziploc bag. And you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and use 3 here. I would normally just get some ends, but I pulled 3 out anyway. So. And I had designed this card for a design team that I'm on. So I hope that you all enjoy it. And I'll be showing y'all some more cards later on in the week with the Walk in the Woods, because that was the stamp set that I used this month. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!